Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness and exercise, specifically focusing on how to do sit-ups as a beginner. Stick around to the end for a special offer that you won't want to miss. First things first, let's go over some basic tips for sit-ups. Place your feet flat on the ground and bring your knees at a 90-degree angle. Keep your arms crossed on your chest or extended behind your head. Now, when you're ready to start, engage your core and pull yourself up until your elbows are touching your knees. Make sure you're keeping your upper body straight and moving in a controlled manner. During the exercise, it's important to maintain proper form and avoid straining your neck. Remember not to pull yourself up using only your hands. That's cheating. Sit-ups are an excellent exercise for strengthening your core muscles and improving overall stability. So there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to do sit-ups as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. But wait, there's more. For a limited time only and while supplies last, we're offering our exclusive workout program completely free of charge. All you have to do is click the link in the description below or comment free workout at the end of this video. That's all for now, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay fit, stay healthy, and remember, no excuses.